Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds QCY Buds ANC in the application. You have to start by open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see them at the device list. So go to the settings at the middle top, and right here you need to scroll down. Then go to more settings at the bottom, and at the fourth line we have rename device. Tap on it, then click at this line and write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. After you finish you need to click done to save this new name. Now OK, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!